This weekend I'm in Northern Ireland and we've hired a little Fiat 500. I'll show you. There you go. It's actually pretty nice to drive. I'm not sure what the engine size is. So let's have a quick look. Oh, look at that. Look, tiny little engine. I'm not actually sure if it is a 500cc engine or not. Maybe it is. I think they're little two-cylinder engines, aren't they? Absolutely no idea. Can't really even tell looking at it. Looks to have more than one, two. I think it's a three. I think it's a three-cylinder engine. Actually, you know, I think having looked a bit closer, I think it is a little four-cylinder engine. Got it pretty filthy already. Look, just a 40-minute drive from the airport. Pretty nice and snazzy inside. Quite nippy too. Not fast, but very nimble. Yeah, I wouldn't mind one of these if I was in the market for a little tiny car, I think. Oh, we're here mainly visiting relatives, but today we're going to go off to Murlough, which is by the sea, I believe, with some nice sand dunes. Anyway, let's take a look. Oh, we've arrived. It's a bit blowy though. In fact, it's very blowy. But we're going to go in the cafe and see if we can get a cup of tea before we go for a bit of a stroll. Oh, cheers. I've had a nice cup of tea in the little cafe there, nice little cafe. But the toilets aren't open in the winter, which caused a bit of a stir, and a bit of a toilet gate inquiry. But,
I'm going to write in.
Yeah, she's going to write in and give them a detailed blow-by-blow account of her trip to the toilet. Anyway, we're off now for a walk through the dunes. So we're on a sort of network of boardwalks that go through the sand dunes, which makes it a bit easier, but yeah, we're hoping we'll see the sea soon. The dunes here are over 6,000 years old, and some of the largest dunes were formed in the 13th and 14th century during a period of really bad storms. There's 291 hectares of dunes here, and they're the most extensive dunes within Ireland. Well, we've made it to the beach. There's the mountains of Mourne over there somewhere. The old sea's a little bit rough, but we won't be paddling today perhaps. But yeah, it's a lovely spot, if a little bit windy. This is a very gently sloping beach, but look how rough the sea is out there. It's nicky over by the dunes. It is quite a blustery day, but it's very nice to be on the beach though. Sand being blown along the beach. Look. It is very atmospheric. It's like being in a very wet and windy desert. The wind's blown the sand up against these stones and made them look all blurry old stones. This is a very picturesque place. I'm glad we chose to come here, even though the weather's a little bit windy. Having a great walk along the beach. I love the wildlife on the beach, but seagulls can be nasty. Be on your guard when you get your picnic out, or they'll swoop and eat your pasty. we've got to here, and I wouldn't have thought there'd actually be firing at weekends, but there are some red flags flying out on the headland over there. I don't know if you can see them. Maybe I can't quite zoom in far enough, but there are definitely some red flags flying. There's one over there as well. Anyway, we're going to head back inland through the dunes, I think. Nicky certainly doesn't seem keen to receive any incoming artillery, so we're going to err on the side of caution. I love to walk on the beach barefoot, get the sand beneath me toes, but if you do it long enough, it's not the only place it goes. Oh, we found a way up into the dunes, so we're going to walk back to the car through the dunes, I think. Make a change from the beach. Getting a bit of fine drizzle starting again now, so I think we may have been seeing some of the best weather of the day, perhaps. The rain is setting in a little bit now, so we're making a beeline back to the car, I think. I can definitely recommend this as a place to come for a bit of a stroll. I'm sure in clearer weather the views are spectacular, but they're not bad really now. There's a bit of a inlet there. Yeah, lovely spot. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed it, press like, subscribe if you want to see some more, and ring the bell to be notified when we upload something new.